We are here at Nairobi University, the Faculty of Law, as part of our ongoing series of guest lecturing, where we are taking students through different aspects of technology. So today we were dealing with artificial intelligence. Particularly for me, I dealt with the intersect between law and AI and how we can use AI in the legal practice.
We did cover machine learning. I gave them the foundations of machine learning, different units of machine learning that we have, and the fundamentals of them.
What has actually caught my attention is something we've learned called reinforced learning that is used in gamification or the gaming theory. I didn't know that's how games are made.
Fun factors I've learned today is that AI is a very common part in our environment. In everything we do, it learns a lot from us, even when there's no human supervision.
The session was very engaging. Questions were asked, the students were also participating. Went through an introduction on what is AI, what are the types of AI, and also an introduction to neural networks and generative AI. The best moment was seeing the eagerness in the students as we were explaining the different techniques and how they can apply them on a day-to-day.
We are looking forward to creating and growing the collaboration beyond just the Faculty of Law. We can go to other faculties, also looking at the learning institutions, because we need to make sure that we are creating a channel for expertise that with the young generation that is coming up.